Hello everyone, welcome to iqCode. Today I'm going to continue on the last episode of how to make a title screen using Scratch. The last episode got a really big hit. Just in 3 days it got 50 views. Like, you don't know what the big accomplishment that is for me, since all my videos usually don't get a bunch of viewers, so don't forget to watch them. So you don't also forget to subscribe and like the video so we can like success on getting 100 subscribers, which is my current goal. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you my goals for this video. It is we're going to add the whole the places where, like, if we bring our mouse, it's just going to do a random animation thing, so it looks like we're selecting it, and that will look really cool, hopefully. And we'll add the help button to, like, we'll make the help button work. So let's get to it. So what I'm going to do is go to the title. I'm going to start with the animations. So in here, what I'm going to do is I am going to make two when I start as a clone, and whenever it's held in, mouse down and touching mouse pointer. Okay, I'm basically going to duplicate that and like move this here, and that's the same. Now what I'm going to do is, if it's touching like this, then what it's going to do is eight, okay, and this is what the code we added. This is the original one that we already had, and this is what we added. Now let's test it. I'm also supposed to add forever, which already added. Let's see. Okay, everyone, so I got the code. This is what we're supposed to do. Like, you see, I added this code. I just moved the thing here to there, and this set brightness effect to 0, so you can just add this in. Also, when because of this code, whenever you hover your mouse, as you can see, like, we got that. I can make that a little slower. I will show you how to make it slower right now. Just make this like 8 and like 6, maybe -6, and then 8 again. This should be able to make it slower. As you can see, we made it slower, and that looks really good. Now I am going to add the help button. For that, we have to find the help button, which is right here. We found it, so I'm just going to, what we're basically going to do is duplicate this too, and just change the play to help. Okay, like, just change this to help, or whatever you named it, and just broadcast another message. I'm just going to write help, and let's add a, I'm going to make the help thing so we get ready, and speed forward. Okay, so as you can see, I got the help right here. So what I'm going to do is events, then clicked, hide, hide. Also, what I wanted to do is like set the ghost effect to 100, and whenever we receive the news in the events, whenever I receive help, I basically wanted to fade in. So that's what we are going to be doing. It is going to show and change by matching this, yeah. Ghost effect, I'm going to make this 12.5 and make this 8. We'll make this negative 12.5. And also I am going to, and yeah, that's what we're doing. And whenever it is clicked on, whenever this sprite is clicked, I just wanted to make it that it fades back. So we're just basically going to get this but not show. We're going to make it hide, and this is going to be 12.5. Okay, now let's test it out. Now it should be able to show. Yes, you can see it showed. Let's see it again. And yeah, it just showed. I don't think it did the free. Maybe it was a little too fast. Well, it's okay. We got the whole thing. And whenever we click this, it disappears. Yeah, it disappeared. And now this is it for today. And thank you for participating in this season or episodes. Thank you for watching the last one and this one till the end. And have a great day. Thank you so much. And do not forget to subscribe and like. Have a great day.